Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to find Recorder app, and when you find it, click on it. Then tap on one of those options. Environment, normal, or voice focus to select the best one for you. When you finished, click on Record button to start. If you never used your recorder before, select Allow in the pop-ups. As you can see, my recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on the same button at the bottom. In order to discard it right away, select this X at the top left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to end and save your recording though, hit Save at the bottom right corner over here. Then name your recording however you want to, if you want to. Hit Save. And as you can see, after that, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. In order to delete it, go back, hold it, and click on the spin icon at the top right corner of it. Lastly, hit delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!